Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com.
We have here a beautifully refurbished 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom sanctuary for sale. It is nestled in Edgewater, Portmore, St. Catherine. This meticulously updated home boasts modern amenities and thoughtful touches throughout. As you step inside, you are greeted by a spacious living room, perfect for entertaining guests or cozying up with loved ones. The adjacent dining room provides the ideal setting for memorable meals with family and friends. Indulge in the luxury in the updated bathrooms, featuring cut-edge amenities such as touchscreen medicine cabinets, invigorating rainhead showers, porcelain and ceramic tiles add a touch of elegance to every corner of the home. Steel exterior doors provide security and peace of mind. Enjoy the convenience of shopping at Mega Mart, PriceSmart and Courts, or grab a coffee at Starbucks just minutes away. The home is surrounded by top-notch educational facilities, children's daycare, prep and primary schools, major banks, ATMs, fuel and electric car charging stations. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 34 million or US $220.9 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.